Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how can you make a transparent background of any image on any Android device. It's very simple. Just follow me. I will show you a detailed procedure in mobile device. So let's jump into the mobile screen. So guys, first you have to download the app. The app name is Background Eraser. Background Eraser. So as I told you, the links are given in the description. You can go and download it from there. After downloading, open the app. As you can see, there is an option called load a photo. Click on that, and you can select the image which you want to make a transparent background. As the first option get is cropping that image. You can crop as much you want. Now for now I will leave as it is. Then at the bottom you get some options like zoom, repair, manual, auto, and extract. The most main feature is auto mode. As you can see, the background is mostly in same color. So if you keep this pointer on any where on the background, it automatically removes the background. As you can see, the old background is removed and some parts are remaining there. You can remove it as well. As first you have to zoom it, then click on auto, then place the pointer on it, again click on zoom, place the pointer, and that's it. On the right top corner, click on done. As you can see, the background is removed and you have the image which you want. If you don't want to use this auto mode, you can use the manual mode. Sorry. As you can see, you can use the manual mode. If you want to increase the manual mode size, you can, as you can see, its size is 15. You can make it how much you want. The maximum size is 50. Yeah, you can do it as well. uh, but the main feature, auto mode, is much more better than that. So after removing the background, click on done, and this is the final output, and click on save, and that's it guys. The image has saved. So it's very simple method. If you guys like it, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. See you next one. Till then, bye.